Recording. Okay, I need you to say happy birthday to me. Say it together and wish me have a good new year. New start of life. Can you say happy birthday to me? Say
Happy
it loud.
birthday.
Happy birthday. Oh, I happy
Happy
birthday to
birthday.
myself. Thank you. Thank you. That's enough. Your smile and plus a happy birthday is enough. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
All right. Okay, let's get started. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
I know how to do
All right. Okay, let's get started. I do a recap of what we learned first, and then the next question, I will invite students to do it. Okay. So last time we have a question, for example, 12. Let me make it long. 12 minus x over 3 equal to 7. So the first thing we will move this 3 to the other side. This is a divided. This line meaning divided. Divided transpose to the other side become times. So we have 7 times 3. It is common in higher mathematics. We use this as a times, this meaning times or this, but we seldom use it. We use the bracket more, okay? And then 12 minus x. And this side is 21. And this side is 12 minus x. I told you that I prefer to deal with the positive x because that would be our subject of the equation. Let's do another transpose. We transpose this to the other side. Well, at the same time, we transpose this to the other side. So we have x, we have 12 minus 21. So now we know that 12 minus 21, we will have negative 9. So we know that would be our final answer. I told you before that our um, our final answer, the subject, this is called subject of the equation, must be on the left-hand side. So let's switch immediately, okay? So we have x equal to negative 9. OK，我再用中文講一次，咁我哋就會進入深啲嘅題目。我想將個速度加快啲。咁呢條紫色嘅線，呢條線咧其實係除，所以呢度有除3。我哋準備剝咗呢份洋葱皮個除，褪過去嗰邊，除就變成乘7乘3。咁好多時喺 higher mathematics 咧，我哋會用個 parent，用個 bracket 去代表乘嘅。你可以寫7乘3，不過少啲，OK，用 bracket is OK，因為個乘有啲似個 x，如果你嗰個algebra，algebraic equation 係好長好長，咁有埋 x 有埋乘，咁就好容易 confuse，用呢個係 OK 嘅。咁跟住咧，我哋有12減 x 等於21啦。咁跟住我同你講過，我中意丟會嗰個 subject 係 positive 嘅。將個負 x 調過去，因為好多時咧，啲學生如果個 negative 嘅 subject 咧，佢哋會漏咗最後步，除個 negative one 會變成錯嘅。我見過太多 case 啦，所以我 prefer 你有個 good habit，丟會個 positive 嘅 unknown，有個 positive 嘅 subject，OK？你知道你最後個 subject 係 x，all right？所以 two-way transpose，同時 transpose negative one 去嗰邊，負就變咗正。正 negative one 就變咗負，所以我哋有12減21， 等於x， 我知道12減21，我哋負9，咁知道已經係答案啦。負9等於 x， 將佢調過嚟by habit 嗰個 x unknown 嗰個 subject of equation，x 叫 subject of equation， 一定喺左手邊嘅，呢個係數學嘅 habit 嚟嘅，所以 x 等於負9。OK， 有冇唔明學生？有冇唔明？明，個個都明，抄低佢啊，抄多次啊！上次講過呢題嘅，抄多次，我會進入深啲嘅一題，將個步伐加快啲。抄完話俾我聽，抄多次當係 revision。我同你講過好多次，你所接受嘅知識係喺你嘅短暫嘅記憶裏面，唯一個方法就係要做溫習。OK， 你唔需要好似個 robot 咁去操嘅，咁每日睇一次做一次，咁其實 OK 噶啦。讀書最好嘅方法係每日去做，每日做少少，每日做少少就 OK 噶啦。All right, when you finish, let me know you finish. Copy it first, refresh your memory. Remember the arrow, those kind of things, I just write it for you to see how it goes, okay? You don't have to write it in the actual exam. When you're done, okay, good, very good. The other student? Okay, very good. I like your confidence. Very good. All right. 7 minus 2y over 4 equal to 2y plus 3. Okay. Who want to do it? 有冇人想做呢題？有冇人想做？ Anyone want to do this question? Let me know. Sam, 想唔想 Do you want to do it, Sam?
OK，好，等等。
Okay, good.
我哋不我哋個2y 等下，等等。我哋嗰個可以係嗰個2y 可以係7等4，咁之後嗰個負就等於2y 加2y 加3，啱唔啱啊？
唔得，因為嗱，你要記住，你首先一定要剝走呢個4，要剝走呢個4，將佢調走，唔係剝走上面，你要剝走下面嗰啲嘢，先可以喐到上面嘅嘢嘅，明唔明白？Okay, so I will do it for you. No problem. Good mistake. Okay. Everything error is a good journey for you understand what is right. Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay. 所有嘅錯誤都係個好嘅學習過程。調走呢個先，你記住喺數學let me give you a concept before we start. Okay. Let me give you a concept. Write down the concept. If A we call monomial. Okay. Monomial. If A times B, we also call monomial, okay? But the plus and the minus is acting like a bridge. A plus B, we call binomial, 1, 2, so we call binomial. Okay, the same goes to A minus B. The plus and minus is something to divide the thing. It's called binomial. Okay, that means it has two things in there. Okay, write down this concept first. This is an important concept. Write down what is monomial, what is binomial.
記得等等。
好，慢慢寫啊。記住個加減係一個長嚟嘅，去分開啲嘢嘅。所以如果有個加有個減，要小心喎，因為佢已經係分開咗兩嚿嘢噶啦。Mono 即係一嚿嘢 ，OK？ Binomial 兩嚿嘢。如果係多咗個，例如咁樣叫 trinomial 三嚿嘢噶啦。如果 A plus B 減 C 你有三嚿嘢喺度 trinomial， 或者我哋叫 polynomial，poly 即係多嚿。All right, so we use the plus and minus to separate the thing. When you write finish, let me know. Then I explain to you further. Okay. So for example, if I want to times this one, okay, I just times the whole thing. So I will times the monomial, I will equal to 3ab. But if I want to times binomial, the whole thing times a binomial, so I would equal to 3a plus 3b. Yes or no? Can you see the difference? If again, I want to times this one, I need to times the whole thing. This is a binomial. 1, 2. So 3a minus 3b. Do you understand? If I want to times a binomial, trinomial, I need to put a bracket on it. Do you understand? When I put a bracket, you see it's different. I need to times both of them. 明唔明白呢個 concept？ 好，抄低佢咧。而家再寫多步。當個 binomial times 一個3嘅時候發生咩事？當一個monomial times 一個3嘅時候發生咩事？因為你下一步需要呢個知識去做嘅，所以呢一個我就叫 personalized learning。根據我睇到你邊度爭咗，我補翻啲知識俾你。OK， 咁我哋開始做嗰題目噶咯喎。Everyone done, right? This concept clear, right? OK。記住做 equation 好似剝洋葱皮咁，你會剝外面嗰陣先，然之後裡面嗰陣。Okay, so we transpose the 4 to that side. So can anyone tell me how do we call it? A monomial or a binomial?
邊度？
呢度黑色間住嗰度。A monomial or a binomial?
Monomial 應該。
Monomial mon 係1喎，mono 係1。
因為有兩個一齊。
bi 係2喎。Very good, very good. So 將個4乘過去，2y 加3，你要 bracket 佢 ，OK？ 7減 2y， all right？ 跟住我哋要 distribute 噶咯喎，我哋唔要嗰個 bracket。Now we need to cancel the bracket. Okay, distribute. So we have 8y. And then we have 12.
12y. It's 12y.
That's right. 8y and 12, 2y. Okay, and now we transpose. Put the like term together. Like term, that means this is and this.
同埋 8y 係咪 like term?
係 like term. 都係屬於 Y term。咁7同12係屬於咩 term 啊？都係 Lai term 咩 term 啊？我上次教過你一個字叫咩 term 啊？記住喎，好冇 ？constant，C-O-N-S-T-A-N-T，記住呢個字啊 ，constant 變唔到嘅數就叫 constant。1、2、3、4、5，我哋一個特定嘅數叫 constant，OK？They are constant term. So let's move together. I told you I like to deal with the positive Y. So I would transpose. Oh，點解唔見咗個 Y 嘅？突然之間唔見咗個 Y 嘅 magic。OK，將呢一個 transpose 過去。All right，and then while at the same time two-way transpose 將呢個 transpose 過呢邊。All right，so let's do it. So we have 8y minus go to the other side plus 2y. We have 7 plus go to the other side minus 12. So we have 10y. 7 minus 12, what is it, Zach?
7 minus 12 is 7 minus 12 is -5.
Very good. You're good. Very good. So, okay, and then we transpose this one. This -10, this 10 times y, transpose at times to that become minus. Okay, and then this is not and. We switch it right away. Okay, get the answer. We need to do simplify. Process reduce the fraction we call simplify. Okay, so y would be equal to -1/2. We are end. Is it okay?
Y 係咪真係-0.5啊？
係啱嘅，你可以寫-0.5或-1/2，兩個都啱嘅。Good job。有冇唔明啊，學生？Any question, Ash? If you don't understand, ask until you understand. I can do it one more time. I can explain one more time. Get it until you understand it. Okay? The basic, I told you, is very important. Once your basic is firm, you can do things very fast, like Paris.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, understand all, right? Copy. Remember in the exam, you don't have to show this arrow, those kind of things. Those things I explained to you how to do it, okay?
Okay.
Copy, finish, and let me know. Say you are done.
Done.
Okay, good. The other student done all, right?
Done.
Okay, good. All right, so now we do the algebraic fraction. We start a new topic, algebraic fraction. Start with the easier one first. Algebraic fraction. We are doing the plus and minus of it, okay? So this is our learning topic. So for example, let me go back to the basic to remind you, okay? If you have 1/3 plus 1/3, what is it? Simply you just 1 plus 1, yes. This is the way you do it, yes. Yes, very good. Okay, the same when you do it like a algebraic 7/x. This is the example. Plus 5/x. You see, your denominator is the same. So what you are going to do? You 7 plus 5 and then x, and then you have 12/x. That would be your answer. Okay, is it the same way you're doing it as you do fraction? Yes, right? Easy, very good. Copy, very good. Good to hear the word easy. We start from the easy and then step up. All right.
Yeah.
As a reminder, okay, when you hear me say the word numerator, that means up above this one. Numerator.
Having got a denominator 啦。
Very good, denominator. Very good. Denominator. Good. Good job. Copy finish and let me know. We'll move on to be
You're so greedy.
hmm? What is your question, Ash? Did you ask me
Oh,
question?
sorry.
Oh, it's all right. It's all right. Okay, so now let's move to be step up, okay? Like a step up transformer, up to next level, okay? So let's see. If we have 1/3, for example, past 1/5, how would you do it? Seth, can you do it for me? Do the question for me, Seth. Show the step of working. Yeah, 15. Yeah. Very good. Okay. Very good. So what are we going to do? We use 3 times 5. Okay. Let me show you one time to explain to you. Okay. You are good. You're right. Okay. So if we have to times this by, you need to get the logic in order to do the unknown one, okay? We have to times this by 5. So the per numerator also need to times by 5. Why? Because we want to turn it by 15. 3 times 5, 15. So here is times 3. Here is times 3. That's why it has this one. So 5, 1 times 5 is 5, okay? 1 times 3 is 3, so, and then add up together would be 8/15. 每個人都明白呢一條分數點做，係咪？ You all understand the logic of how to do this fraction, right? If yes, then we will go for doing the unknown, the same thing, okay? So don't let it scare you when you meet the unknown. Let's do this question. 7x over 3 minus 8x over 5. Again, we know that it is 15. We know that our denominator should be 15. 3 times 5, 15. In order to be 15, 如果要係15，你點做啊？呢度 times 5。
3x
Little, very good. Okay, 35x. 咁呢度要 times 3，呢度都要 times 3，要平衡翻佢上下。Very good, very good, very good. Okay, so the final answer. What is the final answer? Can anyone write down the final answer for me? 有冇人可以話俾我聽最後個 answer 係乜嘢嘢？上減上，下減下，上減上，下減下。Very good. Very good. 11x over
得啦。
非常好。有冇學生唔明啊？唔明可以問到明，非常好。
陣間仲要捉棋啊，仲要捉棋。哎呀，都係啊。
Okay, good. If you don't understand, please ask until you understand. All right? This is just simple question. The question will go to be more and more difficult. Okay, I start from the easy one to build your concept and then step up to be more difficult. So you must understand the basic logic first. OK 係咪？所有人抄晒未？抄完話俾我聽。OK, set is good. 樂樂都 OK。OK, 咁我 move on. OK, X。
等等我去廁所先啦。
好，好，好，我寫低個 question 先吓。Homeschool 有呢度嘅 flexibility，你想突然之間 pause a while，你就離開，冇問題。想去飲杯水，攞杯水飲下，冇問題。Elisha, can you tell me this one? How do we call it? Monomial or binomial? Monomial or binomial, the one with circle. Monomial or binomial. Mono 即係一。我同你講個加同減係間開啲嘢嘅。
Binomial 啊
Binomial by 即係二。OK，有加同減間開咗，所以係個 binomial，所以小心 handle 佢嘅時候要小心。OK，so again we know that is 6. Okay, this is 4. Let me make it more difficult. 4. Okay, so what is your LCM? Your LCM 係乜嘢嘢？6同4嘅 LCM。12 very good. Okay, 12。所以呢一度 you need to times 2. Here, the whole thing times 2 because it's a binomial. So you must bracket past 3. Have a bracket because you are times a binomial. Okay? So be very cautious with that. Okay? Otherwise, you will be making mistake. Again, here is times 3. Up there is the whole thing times 3. So it is the whole thing. Bracket it. Bracket the binomial times 3. Okay, so 12. 3, denominator times 3. Numerator has to times 3. Okay, so and then we do the next step. We do the distribution. So distribute. 1, 2. So 2x plus 6. 12. And here, 1, 2, 3x minus 6. 12. Okay, and then we can pull the line. We can really pull the line to do the pass. So we have 12, put them together, it would be 5. 2x plus 6 plus 3x minus 6. So look at that. We can cancel out. A positive 6, a negative 6 actually can cancel out. So, and then pass the like term together. So you have 5x
5x 12啊，
係 over 12，呢一個係讀 over，呢一個讀 over 即係除 over 12。Very good. So we can mark our answer. 5x over 12。有冇唔明學生？冇 ，OK，抄咗佢啊。The other student, do you understand? If not, ask until you understand it. Remember, very caution because you deal with the binomial, so you have to put a bracket times 2. Okay, this step a lot of students forget to do it, so make mistake during the second step. So be caution with it. Let me go up a little bit. Yeah, be caution. You need to have the bracket right here. It's a must to have it. Okay. 抄低啊。Ash, do you understand, Ash?
A little.
Okay, good. Remember, every time finish the lesson, I would recommend you we do the question one time and do your self-checking according to the step here, all right? Remember, your answer is not very important. Your working out is the most important. In an exam, like IGCSE, A-level, whatever public exam it is, your working out is the most important and worth the most mark, all right? It's showing your logic. So it is important to form the right logic. When you finish copying, let me know. Next question, I will ask student to do it.
我頭先行落去睇下珠江嗰度嗰啲嘢飲有冇人偷，但我見到人哋冇人偷，個個喺度食緊飯，同埋旁邊都有張豆漿，唔知係學生自己啲豆漿，買嘢飲嘅時候，好似有一兩杯嘅，但唔知咩嚟。咁我咪攞翻落去。
記住嗱，如果考試嘅時候呢啲字係唔需要 present 嘅 ，OK？ 我做俾你睇嘅，你 show 呢度全部就 OK 噶啦。我畫俾你睇個邏輯係點行。When you show like this, you already earned the full mark. Okay, this kind of thing, I just do it as an explanation. Okay, like this would be neat and perfect. All right, when you finish copy, let me know. .有唔明出聲喎，記住問到明為止喎。抄完未？抄完就下一條噶啦噃。Okay, the next question. So, Elisha, this question I want you to do it for me. 12 over 5x plus 3 over x. Can you do this question for me, Elisa? 寫唔寫到啊，葉乃成？哦，OK，any student can do it。樂樂做唔做到？唔緊要，Elisa 唔緊要，記住 Elisa rewind 嗰個video，我陣間會教你做嘅。OK，完咗堂再 revise 我之前講嘅概念。OK，嗯，樂樂，我哋係加唔到嘅喎。點解啊？因為我哋個 denominator 唔同嘅喎。我哋只有嗱，你睇下之前我同你講過嗰條分數啊。你諗下，你做 basic 份數1/2加3/2，你可以加，係咪？因為你嗰個 denominator 一樣，所以1加3係得嘅。但係你睇下，如果係1/2加3，假設3/3啊，你加唔到噶嘛？我用3/4啊，容易啲。你加唔到噶嘛？因為個 denominator 唔同啊嘛，denominator 唔同加唔到噶喎，所以我哋要令到個 denominator 一樣喎，所以加唔到嘅，唔係下低個 denominator 加，係嗰個numerator 去加。OK，so we need to make it the same thing. So what am I going to do? Remember the first step, step 1. Make denominator become the same. Make denominator the same. Okay? So how we do it? We know that 5x no problem. This is would not have problem. But here we can times 5. Then we will have the same 5x. The denominator times 5, the numerator also need to times 5, 15. Okay, and now the denominator are the same, so we can pass. Okay, so first write down the step. Step 1, you must make the denominator the same. Okay, so now we have 5x, and then we pass the numerator together. 12 plus 15, what is it? 27. So we are done. This question cannot do reduction. We are done. 有冇唔明？我哋首先一定要令到我哋嘅分母係一樣，我哋先可以做到加減嘅。諗下點解我開頭要用普通嘅分數去解釋俾你聽？因為同一個邏輯寫低啊。第一步你一定要 make 嗰個 denominator 一樣，你先可以做到嘅。So take time to process the thinking. OK， 用少少時間去 digest 嗰個 thinking。當做呢個 algebraic fraction 嘅時候，其實同普通嘅 fraction 嗰個概念係一樣嘅。要加減就一定個 denominator 要一樣先可以加減。OK，所以我哋會運用 LCM 嘅 concept，令到個 denominator 一樣。 慢慢 process 我頭先講嘅嘢啊。有冇唔明抄低啊？我會做多幾題，嗰個邏輯好似我見你哋未曾完全懂嘅，唔緊要，做多幾題。所以我要你做俾我睇，咁我就睇到你邊度唔明咯。All right，記住如果冇筆買筆，OK，你可以寫俾我睇，你做俾我睇唔緊要嘅，錯咗唔緊要嘅，OK。錯你錯我就睇到你錯喺邊，我知道點改你。同埋我成日都講，我唔叫錯嘅。嗰個其實係一個嘅 growth 嘅 process，係一個 learning 嘅 process，所有嘢都係 good mistake。Copy and write down. I say step one, write down this clue. Okay? So you understand that you need to make your denominator the same before you do the pass for the numerator. 抄完話俾我聽啊！我會 go back 去比較淺啲嘅題目，再 move on 去深啲嘅題目，直至你哋 get 嗰個 concept 為止。I will go back to the easiest one and then back to the difficult one until I see you understand the concept. All right? Okay, good. Three x over 4. 7x over 3 plus 3x over 4. Ash, can you do this question for me? Ash, can you turn on your camera and do this question for me? Do this try, all right? Remember step one. You see, let me guide you a little bit. You see the denominator not the same. So the step one, we must make the denominator the same. Make the denominator the same. Okay, you have to do step one. Three and four, what is the LCM? Do you understand the concept of LCM? Actually, there is a concept of LCM there. The least common multiple, LCM. 12, very good. So let's put it 12, okay? Let's put it 12, okay? So you know the bottom is 12. The bottom is 12. Here, the denominator is 12. You times 4, then it becomes 12, right? Then the above need to times 4 as well. You here times 4, the numerator also need to times 4. Can you times 4? For the numerator, 12x times 4. Sorry, there is 7x times 4. 7x above is 7x, not 12x. My mistake. Okay. 7x times 4. What is it? Use the 7 times 4. Yes. Yes, very good. Correct. Allow Ash to do it. Okay. Then when he does it, then I know which part he lack. Okay. Yeah, I observe him right now. Okay, seeing what is the learning gap. We call learning gap. Teacher, we call this learning gap. He lack. Okay, and I am going to fill that learning gap for him. You have 7x times 4. So just use the 7 times 4 is 28. So it's 28x. So we have 28x, right? Do you understand? Is it okay, Ash, for this part? Turn on your mic first until you finish this question. Okay, the second part. And then pass. Again, you do the second part. Write down the denominator first. The denominator must be the same. What is it? Your LCM is 12, right? So the denominator would be, write down the word 12 down below, Ash. Right. And then you know that you have to times 3. Then you become 12, right? So the numerator also need to times 3. So your 3x also need to times 3. 3x times 3, what do you have? You have 3x times, very good, 9 what? You have 3x, very good, okay? So let me write it nicely for you, okay? Then the other student can see it, okay? We have 9x, and here is 12, okay? Now, you see, now, the denominator are the same, then we can pass the numerator item, okay? Only when the denominator are the same, then we pass them together. Can you pass it to me? The above, pass it to me. Write down the sum of it. 28x plus 9x. You just think of the x as an apple. 28 apples plus 9 apples. How many apples? Yes, now you don't have apple, you have x. So 37x. Very good. Very good. That's it. That's the final answer. Let me write it nicely for the other student to see. You've done a very good job. Okay, we are done this question. Do you understand? 有冇唔明啊 Student? Copy it first.
我唔係幾明做乜咧？4乘3咪9咯。
如果佢哋係大人
4同3，你唔係加喎，你揾個 LCM 喎。LCM 喎，你唔係加佢喎。4你要揾佢嘅 LCM 喎。4同3嘅 LCM 係乜嘢啊？有冇學過 LCM 啊？你唔係加下低喎。係你1 over 3同加1 over 4，你唔會等於。
個 numerator 咧點解係9嘅
？numerator 點解？因為呢度乘3，呢度都要乘3噶嘛。哦，公平噶嘛。如果你假設你 A over B， 如果你個 B 要乘3，你個 A 都要乘3，咁你先平衡得到噶嘛。3A over 3B 係咪啊？如果唔係平衡唔到嘅喎，明唔明啊？ Is it good? Okay. Copy it first. I will delete the thing that which is no need. Okay. Anyway, you can view the video to see it back. Okay. The thing I circle, that means is information. Remember, I always like to circle things. I always like to make notes to make my student understand. So I usually would circle them to tell them those things don't have to produce in the exam, for them to understand. Okay, copy, include the note, copy it. Okay, when you copy it one time, and you're not just copy, try to make yourself understand it, process your thinking to absorb the knowledge. All right, and then it will strengthen your memory. All right. So copy it in detail. Remember, a good student must have a good note. Copy it, digest information. Because the algebraic fraction can come with very difficult one, okay? Only when your basic build firmly, then you can tackle the difficult one easily without mistake. The right way for doing the mathematics help you to eliminate unnecessary mistake in your process.
We're gonna eat.
They are sending the thing, food to here.
Run.
It's coming. Will be here
Hello.
maybe. Hi.
Mẹ biết
Hi.
chưa?
Paris, ask me when can I eat. I say soon. I order the food. You want to say hi to them, Paris? Come say hi to the student, the homeschool student.
What?
Say hi to the homeschool student. Say hi.
Hi.
Loudly.
Hi.
Homeschool student. 佢係你大姐姐 Paris 係你大姐姐。Okay, finish copying. Include the note. It's okay to eat, really. That's why I love homeschool. You can do whatever you want, but on the condition you pay attention to your study. So drinking, eating is fine to me. Flexibility. Okay, so now next question, okay? I'll go back to learn your basic before we move really difficult one. All right, this question. C is that, can you do it for me, this question? C is that?
Ok.
Okay.
Bye bye. Ok.咁即
Google
係
咩嚟㗎？Google 呢
誒，
個咩嚟㗎？
應該係
第二
神啊。
題，第二題我寫好啲㗎。
咁即係等於誒，都係3啦。
首先你係嗌緊我哋，嗌緊佢，我想問。
C set 做，未完 C set。
你係咪想做啊？
唔
唔緊要
係佢好似
，C set 做，C set 做。
我
會
聽到 C set，我聽到 Z 啊，sorry 啊。
哦
唔
，OK
係
OK。
咁係啊係啱啊。
做完佢先啦，C set 未完㗎條數，知唔知點解啊？要做 reduction。
等一陣，唔係呢度
寫最後個答案啦。Very good，OK，嗱，我哋盡量唔好畫到咁花，OK。如果我哋要做 reduction 咧，我 show 俾你睇，你啱嘅，OK。This is good，OK。For example, 12x over 3. If you could, just a small one. I hope I can do it because when in the group computer, I don't know why. Small, very small. Okay. If you really need it, very small. Okay, not erase so big. Okay, use a thin line to trace it out. Okay, so good job, very good. Okay, copy down this question. Then I will go to next question. When you finish, let me know. Okay, good. Okay, so remember to revision, okay? So next week I can step up to teach more difficult concept, question, okay? We go on the same algebraic fraction, but I want you have a firm basic first, okay? So 仲有邊個未做 ？S 做咗 Carlos, can you do this question? Definitely, you don't have the pen and the writing board, right? That's why writing become like that. You need to buy the writing board and the pen, okay? Good. Let me see your final answer. Very good. Very good. I see you understand. Let me do it one time for the student, okay? Because it's hard to see. You're right. You're totally right, okay? Just hard to see. Let me write it one more time to them. Because you don't have the writing pad, so when you write, so it's hard for the other students see what you wrote. Let me make it bigger. Okay, so we know that first step one, we need to make the denominator the same. So if here times 2, here need to times 2. So when times 2, it would be the same. 10x. So the upper one times 2 is 6 minus 1 over 10x. So now the denominator is the same. Okay, so 10x, 6. Now numerator can minus. 6 minus 1 is 5. But this question is not done because we can see the fraction. We can do reduction. This process is called reduction. Or we also can call simplifying the fraction. Simplify. Alexa, delete the alarm. Simplify. 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 Okay. So we will have 1 over 2 x. We are done. Okay, we are done. So copy it. Okay, 記住做溫習, okay? 咁我下一堂我就可以進入深啲嘅 algebraic fraction，同你講個 algebraic fraction 可以好 tricky 嘅，所以你嗰個 concept 一定要明白。All right. So I will see you next week. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
好生住我哋傾偈啊！
好啊，好啊，你開心啲啊，傾得開心啲啊，我要走啦。
我哋留喺度一齊玩啊！
好好，拜拜，拜
玩啲咩先？
拜。
玩啲咩先？玩啲咩先？